If you think earthworms are just slimy and gross, think again. They're actually working hard beneath our feet. Let's dig into their secret lives. Earthworms might look simple, but they play a huge role in keeping our planet healthy. As they tunnel through the soil, they mix it up, making it rich and fluffy, perfect for plants to grow. And get this, their poop, called castings, is like super-powered fertilizer. Earthworms also help water flow deeper into the ground, which means less flooding and happier plants. Even birds and other animals rely on earthworms as a snack. So next time you spot one after it rains, remember, they're on a mission to keep Earth green and growing. Give a little nod to these underground heroes. You might just owe your garden to them.